Why do I'm getting hiccups today? But why do we get actually hiccups? Because this is a process that comes. Wait, I'll drink some water first. Now I'll see why it's coming hiccups. So first, what is the thing that is the reason for the hiccups? Hmm. This is a process that causes an hiccup. And today's video will know that this is a process when a person gets a hiccup due to and affected that which causes in our neck. Here you can see in our neck there is a thing called the vocal cord. It stucks between the air stucks inside, and which causes hiccups, and which makes us inside our neck inside, which causes continuous hiccup. And until we drink water, it's the air goes inside and the hiccup stops, and that is the main thing behind the hiccups that we get. Like, see, now my hiccups stop because it's just a natural process that it made us a thing. And